Hello, I'm Professor McBitch. I come from Harvard. Snooty. She's probably told all her Harvard cronies how she's crowding out that Solomon bumpkin. Bumpkin! How dare she call me that?
And this is your office. Oh, Jennifer Ravelli, meet Dick Solomon.
Oh, hello.
What a delightfully eclectic sense of decor you have.
Oh, the mockery begins.
Oh, I love it, how whimsical.
Okay, the Potato Man, we don't touch that.
Strangers from the outside, use the wand of power. You have saved our lives. We are eternally grateful.
Yeah, whatever. Fight zone.
You have saved our lives. We are eternally grateful. You have saved our lives. We are eternally grateful.
You saved their lives. Oh, my hero. And they're so adorable. Let's adopt them.
Daddy.
Oh, no.
I made you, you know it's true. Mr. Potato Head, I made you. Eyes and ears, mouth and nose too. Mr. Potato Head, I made you. I made you, you know it's true. Mr. Potato Head, I made you.
Mr. Potato Head, a toy you can put together yourself from Romper Room.